Good morning, Jumpin' Jack here, July 25th, Friday. Today we're going to have another look at Toshi, the Toshi's one-day chart, which maybe we should have looked at earlier. As we can see here, the stochastic RSI is bearish. It's been moving down. I should have had another closer look at it before. That's obviously why we got this bearish move right here after being overbought and tapping that resistance line. But the good thing is we're still following this trend line right here. We're on the trend line. I really don't think it's going to bust that and have a big move down. I really think it's going to respect the trend line. It might wick through it or something, you know, it's going to move a little bit up and down because it's never perfect. But I think overall, generally overall, it's going to keep following this trend line, especially after this gets finished down here as the stochastic RSI. The leading line is 5.68, but the lagging line is 34.45, meaning it's not done. Although the leading line tells us that it's almost found the bottom, but the lagging line means it could move up and then catch up back down to that. Anyways, so as this continues to move down and round the bottom, it's going to round the bottom like that, like I drew there, and we should see something around through the trend line maybe a little bit, but I think it's going to scoop back up real quick and carry on back upwards as it does what we call a liquidity sweep. It's just going to hunt through, scoop everything up, and then move back up again. Of course, people are selling for profits as well along the way. It's likely the short sellers who are doing that. Anyways, so if you look here, I believe we're going to probably cross back up real soon over the 6,100 line there, this support line that we're just below. I think we're going to be above that real soon, and we should continue the trend back up again. It's going to have some down pressure along the way though, because the daily is pointing down, it's bearish, but we see a lot of buybacks happening as it picks back up again. So I think it's going to seesaw around that 6,100 zone right here, which is this line. It's going to hover around there. Anyways, not financial advice. Whales and news can change anything on a heartbeat, but this is what it's looking like. It's staying respectful as far as we can tell right now. Good luck out there. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.